Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to freeze video in CapCut. So basically go ahead right here to the video, right? And let's say for example you have that video and you want to freeze it. So basically what you're going to do, you could just go ahead and you see like I think there isn't an option to stop it, but what you're going to do, you're going to take a screenshot of that clip, right? And then I'm gonna just go ahead and resize it to make it same size of the video, right? Hit done, save the photos, and then click this part that you just added, that you just took a screenshot from, and then go to the photos and then add that photo right here. And now as you can see right here, if you played it, you will see the video paused. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.